I'm ABC 13 meteorologist Alita Loresca with your need to know weather. It looks like we're going to have to wait a little bit longer to get a drop in the humidity and a drop in temperatures. We've got a couple opportunities here with a couple of fronts. So record highs are still expected the next few days. A weak front does arrive on Friday. That brings us our next chance for some scattered showers, a couple of thunderstorms. But you'll notice the drop in temperatures that we were hopeful over the weekend, not going to happen as the front associated with this chance for rain showers and thunderstorms will be stalled out over the area. That's going to keep us into some warm and humid conditions. It's not until a stronger front arrives early next week, sometime on Tuesday, where we will finally get a drop in those temperatures. And we're hopeful that by Thanksgiving morning, we'll see those temperature readings fall in the low 50s with highs in the low 70s, and then even colder the day after Thanksgiving. So today, the big story is still going to be some record warmth. 85 today is the record to tie. Those temperature readings reached back in 1985. Overnight lows will be dropping in the mid to upper 60s, low 70s. Areas of dense fog will be possible first thing Thursday morning, similar to what we're seeing this morning. And those rain chances will be climbing 40% during the daytime hours on Friday, followed by a 30% chance over the weekend. Area of low pressure that's been sitting over Southern California looks like it's now not going to take a easterly track. It's going to take more of a northeasterly track, and that is going to send some of the heaviest rainfall totals out toward the hill country and over North Texas, West Texas as well. We'll still get in on maybe 1 to 2 inches here in the Houston area over the next 7 days, with about an inch of rain closer to the coastline. Flooding potential out toward West Texas, around the Rio Grande Valley, portions of the hill country. Flood watches in place for Thursday. So here's a look at future track. That low pressure system, as I mentioned, will be taking more of a jog to the north and east. It is going to bring in some rain as early as today across the state, with a line of heavy rain and thunderstorms still looks pretty imminent here over the hill country sometime Thursday afternoon, and by during the evening hours, north and west of Houston could be dealing with some heavier pockets of rain. That frontal boundary fizzles out, and then we'll be looking for some additional rain showers first thing Friday morning. A lot of this rain is going to fizzle out before it even arrives into the Houston area. That's why our chances for rain only at 40%. As I mentioned, that boundary could linger into the weekend for a 30% chance of thunderstorms. Then a stronger front arrives on Tuesday. Temperature readings overnight will be on the warm side in the mid to upper 60s, low 70s until that front moves through. And then we've got some cooler weather just in time for the HEB Thanksgiving Day Parade, which happens on Thursday morning. All right, that's a look at your forecast on this Wednesday. Thanks for watching.